Semicolon. A semicolon is similar to a full stop, therefore instead of a full stop we can use a semicolon. However, generally we use a semicolon when two sentences are closely related. So, a semicolon is used to connect independent sentences that are related. For example, London is a famous city. There are many places to visit. Normally, when joining two sentences together, we use a conjunction. However, this is not necessary if we have a semicolon. If a conjunction is used to join the two sentences together, then depending on the type of conjunction, either a semicolon can be used or a comma. So, if the conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, then we use a comma. If you use a conjunctive adverb, for example, however, therefore, meanwhile, nevertheless, then we use a semicolon. These are only a few examples of conjunctions and conjunctive adverbs. There are many, many more. So make sure you research this. For example, my birthday is tomorrow, therefore I expect lots of presents. The conjunctive adverb, therefore, is used, so a semicolon has been inserted just before the conjunctive adverb. A semicolon can also be used in a sentence containing a list. For example, I have been on holiday to Istanbul, Turkey, Rome, Italy, Athens, Greece, and Paris, France. Another example is, at the circus we saw a clown juggling with swords, a lion who stood on a ball, a fire eater with flashing eyes, and an 8-year-old acrobat. So, when a semicolon is used in a sentence containing a list, generally the items in the list are long, or the list already contains internal punctuations, for example, commas. So in the first example, we have internal punctuation, commas, and in the second example, the list is very long. Each item has a long explanation. To summarize, a semicolon is used to connect independent sentences that are related, and a semicolon is used to introduce a list in a sentence.